that I felt it. I tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I melted. I felt right through the crowd, and I'm trying to get back before the cool don't run out, and I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. You better believe I'm yours, all yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your pants and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music at the moment, maybe sing with me. All a peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do 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 do. I've been spent away, don't checking my tongue in the mirror, bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fucked up the glass, and so I drew at her face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.